Hey guys, we received this Best Trip Store pool floats adult size for kids age 8 to 12 or the adults inflatable float swimming rings toys for beach pool or any other use. So this is a pack of 4. So let's just open. These are some patches, like for the if there is any puncture or anything, and these are their main floaties. So these are the float rings that the kids can use while they are in the pool just to have fun. And you can see this is a very bright, nice color, pink, green, blue, and orange. And so this one's let's just open one just to see. So the quality wise, it's really a nice thing. You can just inflate and deflate them with an air pump. So you have to just open the valve, inflate the pump, and close the valve. So it's pretty straightforward. I will just show it later on. This can also be used by adults, like as a big floaties. It can bear that weight and the size. So they are totally 13.4 inches in width. So here's the valve that you can use to inflate or deflate these floaties, and also they are the thick PVC as you can see, and is a quick inflation and deflation for that. So all these different sizes and shapes is all similar, but with the different colors, and it's really nice and have fun with both kids as well as adults. So I will just inflate them and just show you how this looks after inflation with or the pumping in the air and then the use. So I'm just inflating these floaties. So the other is easy. Just put in. I'm using a automatic pump, so it will just inflate. This will take some time. So once this is all inflated, you can see that it is taking the shape. So don't put a lot of air inside so that it will not burst, but it's a little flexible, so it can take some extra air, but not a lot of extra air. So you have to be seen like, just the practice that it will just hold up the air and then just regain its shape and it's easy for the kid to hold. And thus you have to close this valve. So this looks really nice, like the closing the valve, and then you can see that it's really fit well. So I will just also try with the other one, and then just inflate it in the same way by opening the valve and then putting in the inflation like pump, air pump. And once this is all done, I will show you the final thing or the floaties. So the both are inflated as you can see. It's really nice vibrant design, and then it's a great fun in the pool as well. So the kids can really enjoy with the pool and then have the fun.